Today I'm going to be telling you how to mix or premix a whitening cream. This cream can give you 2 to 3 shades lighter, and we'll be using / reviewing Skin Free Milk. Welcome back again to my old subbies and for the newbies. In this channel, I give the no BS, no long stories, skincare tips and recipes. From my experience, and I tell you what works and what doesn't. Subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. I've talked about this serum. For this serum I talked about in my Promixing lightening cream video. So Skin Free Milk is a very strong bleaching oil. This is what it looks like. They wrote it here. It's a strong bleaching oil. Contains its active ingredient is neomycin, 400% of neomycin. That is very strong, guys. Don't play around with this. This is very strong. Don't use it directly on your body, please. Don't do that. You need to promix it with a good base cream. So give you this Skin Free Milk can give you the whitening, lightening or brightening that you're looking for. It can give you the results, but you need to know how to use it in the right proportions. Make sure you get the original. Skin Free Milk also has anti-stretch mark properties. Okay, so Skin Free Milk can give you one. You just have to know proportions, how to work with it. Let it work for you, not against you. Just follow the guidelines and you get your result. You get a good base cream you can use with it is Gluta plus Wink White. Get the original of that one too. Very good base cream. And do not pour the whole bottle, please. This thing is very big, 125 ml. Don't. You can use like 3 tablespoons of this Gluta Wink White. If you want to make it stronger, you can add 3 tablespoons of glutathione compressed serum in with 3 to 2 tablespoons of Skin Free Milk. Okay, that is if you want it to be stronger. If you have sensitive skin, you can start with 2 tablespoons of Skin Free Milk. Then as time goes on, you increase it. And that serum I'm also going to talk about is the Gluta compressed serum. It's a very good serum, and like it will give you what you are looking for. What you need to use it, I advise you to use that serum with a base that has glutathione as its active ingredient. Okay, because so that the serum and the base are to ensure that the serum and the base are compatible, so you get reactions. Okay, I already talked about it in a previous video. Gluta compressed serum, 3 tablespoons in a glutathione base cream. Okay, make sure you get a nice base cream that is not harsh on the skin. Okay, make sure the base cream is good and it's not harsh. If not, you might get reactions. You don't want to get reactions and spoil your skin, because then it's difficult for you to treat that. When working with serums, you don't just buy whatever and pour. You have to make sure that the serum is compatible with the base cream. You have to make sure that they have similar ingredients that are compatible with each other if you're using more than one serum. And it's good you work in percentages. Working percentages is the best. But that one is, we're growing. We'll get to that. If you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share with somebody that needs this. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch my next video. Okay, I have a bunch of playlists and I'm going to add more videos to them for you to enjoy. Okay, bye.